Which foods should you avoid if you have joint pain? Joint pain is a common issue, affecting millions and making even simple movements uncomfortable. While many focus on medications or therapies to relieve joint pain, fewer people realize that diet plays a big role in managing it. Some foods can increase inflammation, making joint pain worse, while others may help reduce inflammation, leading to less discomfort. In this video, we'll explore foods that people with joint pain should avoid, so you can make diet choices that support your body's healing and comfort. The foods to avoid if you have joint pain. 1. Refined sugars, sweetness with a sour effect on joints. Refined sugars, found in soda, candy, and pastries, are highly inflammatory. When you eat foods high in sugar, your body releases proteins known as cytokines, which can increase inflammation in the joints. This makes sugary foods a big no-no for those struggling with joint pain. Instead of reaching for sweets, try fruits like berries or apples, which are naturally sweet and a source of antioxidants that help fight inflammation. 2. Processed foods, packaged convenience, packed with pain. Processed foods, such as frozen meals, snacks, and fast food, are often high in unhealthy fats, preservatives, and salt. These ingredients can cause inflammation in the body, making joint pain feel worse. The trans fats and additives in processed foods can irritate tissues around the joints, leading to stiffness and discomfort. Choosing fresh, whole foods like lean meats, vegetables, and whole grains can be a healthier option that helps reduce inflammation. 3. Red meat, protein power or pain trigger. Red meat, like beef, pork, and lamb, is high in saturated fats, which can increase inflammation. It also contains compounds called purines, which can elevate uric acid levels in the body, potentially leading to gout, a painful joint condition. Instead of red meat, try leaner proteins such as chicken, turkey, or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils, which are easier on the joints and won't trigger as much inflammation. 4. Fried foods, a tasty but painful choice. Fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and donuts contain high levels of trans fats. Trans fats are known to increase inflammation in the body, which can be especially hard on people with joint pain. Cooking methods that rely on heavy oils like deep frying increase these unhealthy fats, causing more stress on your joints. Opt for baking, steaming, or grilling as healthier cooking methods that don't come with the same inflammatory risks. 5. Dairy products, a surprising source of discomfort. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt contain a protein called casein that can trigger inflammation in some people, especially those with joint conditions like arthritis. This reaction can make joint pain feel worse, particularly for those who are sensitive to dairy. Trying alternatives like almond milk, coconut yogurt, or other dairy-free products may be a good choice to avoid unnecessary discomfort. 6. Alcohol. Alcohol, particularly in excess, can increase inflammation and worsen joint pain. Alcohol can raise uric acid levels, which can lead to gout, a painful condition that affects the joints, especially in the toes. Excessive drinking can also lead to dehydration, which impacts joint lubrication. Limiting alcohol and staying hydrated can help you manage joint pain more effectively. 7. High-salt foods, the hidden culprit. High-salt foods, such as processed snacks, canned soups, and certain condiments, can cause the body to retain water. This added fluid retention can increase pressure on the joints, making pain worse. If you have joint pain, it's best to keep an eye on your sodium intake. Instead of relying on salt for flavor, try using herbs and spices like turmeric or ginger, which have natural anti-inflammatory properties. And omega-6, fatty acids, the wrong type of fat for joints. While some fats are good for the body, omega-6 fatty acids, found in oils like corn, sunflower, and soybean oil, can promote inflammation. A diet high in omega-6 fatty acids can upset the balance with omega-3s, which are anti-inflammatory fats. Aim to balance your intake by reducing omega-6 rich foods and increasing omega-3 sources like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds to help reduce joint inflammation. 8. White flour products. Simple carbs with complex problems. White flour products, including bread, pasta, and pastries, are made from refined carbohydrates that can raise blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can lead to more inflammation in the body, which can make joint pain worse. Swapping white flour for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole grain bread can help you avoid unnecessary inflammation while still enjoying carbs. While it's tough to cut out some of these favorite foods, making a few changes can have a big impact on joint pain. Avoiding refined sugars, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can reduce inflammation and make joints feel less painful. Embracing a balanced diet with fresh foods, lean proteins, and whole grains not only supports joint health, but can also enhance overall well-being. Small dietary adjustments can go a long way in helping you manage joint pain naturally. Always consult a healthcare provider before making major dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions. Curious to learn more about foods that can help alleviate joint pain? Click on the next video to discover some delicious and nutritious options. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe for more healthy tips.